Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Azalia Nadia Ayumarani. I am a Magister Accounting student in Vienna University. I will present my article. The title is The Impact of Ownership Structure on Sustainable Performance Disclosure and Firm Value, and Empirical Study of State-Owned Enterprise in Indonesia. First, background and phenomena. Sustainability issue. SDGs are a shared commitment to achieve positive change in various aspects of global community life. Sustainable comprehensive measure of the dimension of economic feasibility, social responsibility, and environmental management. 1. Demonstrate a long-term vision with a high level of social and environmental awareness. 2. Business strategies to meet shareholder objective and stakeholder demand. Reduce risk and security investing firm value. Problem. How ownership structure, management ownership, institutional ownership, and public ownership directly and indirectly influence firm value. The indirect effect is through sustainable performance as an intervening variable. Research and objective. Describe and analyze the influence of ownership structure, management ownership, institutional ownership, and public ownership on firm value. Describe and analyze the influence of ownership structure, management ownership, institutional ownership, and public ownership on sustainability performance. Analyze the mediating role of sustainability performance in the relationship between ownership structure, management ownership, institutional ownership, and public ownership, and firm value. This is the research framework. Hypothesis. H1. Management ownership influence firm value. H2. Institutional ownership affects firm value. H3. Public ownership influence firm value. H4. Sustainable performance influence firm value. H5. Management ownership influence sustainable performance. H6. Institutional ownership has a positive influence on sustainable performance. H7. Public ownership has a positive influence on sustainable performance. H8. Sustainable performance mediates the relationship between managerial ownership and firm value. X9. Sustainable performance mediates the relationship between institutional ownership and firm value. X10. Sustainable performance mediates the relationship between public ownership and firm value. This is the method. This study used a quantitative research design. This study used data from state-owned enterprise listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Ownership structure is proxy by institutional ownership, management ownership, and public ownership. Sustainability performance is proxy by the total economic score, environmental score, and social score, and firm value is proxy by Tobin skew. This study used state-owned companies listed on the IDX for the 2020 and 2024 period as the population of 30 companies representing 6 sectors. The sample criteria are state-owned companies listed on the IDX for the 2020 to 2024 period whose financial report data and our annual reports as well as stock price and number of shares outstanding are available, accessible, and the required data is complete. The sample was obtained purposefully and 119 full data were obtained. The research data sourced are from financial and our annual report, stock price, and the number of shares outstanding from 2020 to 2024 from BUMN listed on the IDA for the 2020 to 2024 period, which were obtained from the IDX website or company website. And then this the result and discussion. The management ownership and institutional ownership have a direct effect on firm value and no indirect effect to CSR. Only the public ownership has a direct and indirect effect on firm value. This result show that CSR has a partial mediation effect on the relationship between the public ownership and firm value. The CSR does not have a mediation effect on the relationship between management ownership and institutional ownership and firm value. This implication of finding. Theoretical implication. The result of the study support the agency star theory, which posits that the role of corporate governance is to reduce agency cost and create long-term value shareholder by utilizing all company resources to generate high returns on company investment with a focus on the monitoring responsibilities of the ownership structure. The result of this study supports stakeholder theory, which states that the company desires are influenced by stakeholder ownership structure, so that the company must maintain relationship with stakeholder by accommodating their desire and needs, especially those with significant power, the largest stakeholder. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you and good. This is my presentation. Thank you.